Google have just released an AI agent in Google Sheets which can build entire workflows and dashboards from a prompt. It starts by planning out what it's going to build. It presents that plan to you for approval, and once you approve, it autonomously follows the plan. I've been trying this out and I've been really impressed. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 use cases which range from building templates to building full dashboards from data. So let's head over to Google Sheets now and get started. In Google Sheets, navigate to the right hand side and choose the Ask Gemini icon. You want to go into Tools and select Build. This is the agent, and then you can select what data the agent has access to. So I don't really need data for this one. The first use case is a monthly tracker with columns for budget and actuals. I've given it a few categories as well, and then the agent decides what it's going to build. It then comes back to me with a plan of what it's going to build. So this one is a monthly budget tracker, economist themed, and then it tells me exactly the steps it's going to take to achieve that goal. So with this particular use case, there's 9 steps it's going to do. I need to go and approve that, or I can ask it to update its plan. So I'm going to approve it now, and you can see it's started working autonomously within the sheets. So everything on screen is actually what the agent is doing. I'm not doing anything in the background here. And now it's built me the monthly budget with my category. Just want to check that this works. So when I put in figures, this actually works on the variance, on the category, and the overall variance as well. When the agent is finished, it'll actually give you a summary of what it's done and how to use it. So it actually trains you as well. The next use case, I'm using real data for this. So I'm using sales data. I'm asking it to do an analysis on that sales data with some very specific instructions here, and then I'm asking to build out a dashboard for this data. So it starts off with doing a data analysis. It's examining the data set, defining the scope, designing the visualization. It's thinking with itself on how to do all these, how to structure the visuals, and then it's structuring the plan, and then it will give me the plan back to me. This is a more difficult use case because it has to build a calculation sheet in order to do all the calculations for the dashboard. Then it has to build out the dashboard, so it has to style that and then build out our dashboard elements. So I'm happy with this, so I can click approve, and in here you can see it's built a sheet called calc data to do calculations, and now it's building out the dashboard. Starts with the title, scorecards, top 5 sales reps, and then it's building in the visualizations now, and it is looking at these visualizations, and I asked it specifically for them not to obscure each other, and it is making that happen as well. I'm not completely happy with this, so I can give it a follow-up instruction. So I've just asked for a few adjustments in here to remove the grid lines, to give total revenue an outline. This is the finalized dashboard. I didn't like the look of this, so I wrestled with it a bit more, and this is the final one it came up with. Last use case we're going to look at, we're taking a bank statement and then we're going to categorize the transactions into categories and get a bar chart. So this uses Gen AI on the categorization and building the dashboard out. This has actually asked me some follow-up questions. Where do I want to put the data in that sheet, and how should subcategories be defined? So I've given it my answers there, and then it's come up with a plan. I'm going to approve that. So what this does first, it categorizes based on the descriptions. It's giving me a category and a subcategory for everything. Then it creates a category summary. It's giving me a pivot table here, and then it's given me the bar chart as well. And again, when this is finished, it's going to train me on how to use the dashboard and what it's done. Just a quick caveat about Sheets Build. This is available on the AI Pro and the AI Ultra subscriptions for Gemini, and also if you have a work or school account. I hope you found this video useful. Follow for more Google AI tips.